Hey there, I've got an exciting new business idea that's flying under the radar, and the best part is, anyone can do it from anywhere in the world. You can potentially make up to $500 a day, and the beauty is, you don't need an Etsy account, mid-journey subscription, or any prior experience. All you need is your phone and a cool tool, Invideo AI, which turns your text into custom videos. Plus, I'll show you how to make trending YouTube videos effortlessly. Now, let me break down Invideo AI for you. Imagine creating a YouTube short about secret family that owns the world, and guess what? Invideo AI can transform your simple prompts into awesome videos. Want to switch things up? Add subtitles, pump up the music, and change the voiceover to a British female. To get started, click the first link in the description to create a free account on Invideo AI. Once you're in, you'll see a straightforward dashboard. Look for the text box. That's your key to easy video creation. For example, type create a 2-minute video about dogs, and Invideo AI will handle the script, voiceover, and video creation for you. While Invideo AI makes video creation easy, detailed prompts are key for professional results. Stick around for my prompt formula. Choose a workflow, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, recent events, or script to video. Understanding this is crucial for the upcoming video automation business we'll discuss. Let's say we're going for a YouTube Explainer, perfect for a faceless channel. After selecting this option, you'll see additional boxes. First up, choose your video duration. Let's go with 10 minutes for this example. Now, provide more details in the next box. Be specific. I recently found a successful pet-related channel with videos hitting 2 million views. I want something similar, so my prompt might be create a video about 10 crazy facts about dogs. In the following box, get creative. I want my video to start with a captivating fact, be funny, engaging, and dynamic throughout. And don't forget, I want to end with a question to boost engagement. The more details you give, the better your video will turn out. As you can see, providing detailed information is key to getting the best results. The next steps involve selecting background music and voiceover settings. Choose the type of music that suits your video. For this example, I think fun music is a good fit. Then, for the voiceover, specify the gender and select a voice from the list. I'm going with a female voice with a clear American accent. You can also add subtitles, but for now, I'll leave it unchecked. Once you're done, click Continue. Now with the boxes filled, you've created a fully detailed prompt. Click Generate a video, and the AI will give you options to customize the video further. These options may vary based on the type of video you're making. For this example, I selected YouTube Explainer. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your audience. Adjust the look and feel of the video. I chose a bright, and for the platform, I selected YouTube. Once satisfied, click Continue, and Invideo AI starts working its magic. After about 5 minutes, the video is ready. Making edits with Invideo AI is a breeze. Use the text box below the video for text-based commands, or click Edit to tweak the media or script. Change a clip by searching or uploading your own, and adjust keywords for specific media. Unlocking the potential of Invideo AI, you can effortlessly create trending videos with features like recent event video, utilizing article links for quick generation. My comprehensive prompt formula encompasses key elements such as duration, platform, topic, voiceover details, script style, background music, and additional information. For instance, a detailed prompt might be craft a 5-minute YouTube video on new Samsung S24 Ultra with a deep male voice, explanatory script, fun music, and captivating visuals, using this article as a reference. Encourage viewers to subscribe. This versatile formula caters to various video types. The script should be storytelling, making complex information easy to understand. Copy this detailed prompt, go to Invideo AI, paste it into the text box in the dashboard, and click Generate a Video. With this, you can easily get interesting video for your YouTube journey with the hassle to write the script or do the video editing. Just by a simple click and good prompt, you can easily start making videos on animals, tech gadgets, or anything that you find fascinating. As we conclude our journey with Invideo AI and the powerful prompt formula, if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more creative tips.